Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys do well. I'm also back with another video, and this time we're making delicious barbecue chicken that's gonna be served with well-seasoned paprika fries and homemade barbecue sauce. You're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. For the barbecue spice rub, cayenne pepper, bird's eye chili, brown sugar, smoked paprika, cumin, ground mustard, garlic and onion powder, good pinch of salt, black pepper, and finally some dried oregano. Give this a really good mix. Chicken legs, trim down any fat. Apply that barbecue rub. Smells so good. Few taps and turn it around. Repeat the same process. Cover and leave it aside for 30 minutes or for overnight. Touch of oil. Spread the oil around using a tissue paper. When the griddle is nice and hot, add in the chicken pieces. Sear this for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Searing locks in the juices and the flavor. We're looking for those nice griddle marks. This will also add a charred smoky flavor to them. Now remove the pieces. Now place them on the grilling rack with a tray underneath. In a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for 15 minutes. Let's check. Turn them around and bake for another 10 minutes. For the barbecue sauce, molasses, sugar, cook for 3 minutes, and when it just starts to melt, add in the ketchup, some water, and turn the heat on low. Give this a good mix and bring everything together. Yellow mustard, mix that in. Cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, sea salt, apple cider vinegar, Worcester sauce, and soy sauce. Give this a good mix and bring it to gentle simmer on low heat. Now just turn off the heat. Delicious barbecue sauce. Done. Have a little taste. Remove the sauce in a bowl. It's been 10 minutes, so let's check the chicken. Remove and just be careful, it's really hot. Spread the barbecue sauce all over. Turn the chicken around and spread more of that barbecue sauce. Now this goes back in the oven just for 5 minutes. Done. Remove the fries on a paper. Now add them in a bowl. Cayenne, paprika, finally some garlic salt. Give this a good mix. So here you have my mouth-watering barbecue chicken with paprika fries and homemade barbecue sauce. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this barbecue chicken. Alhamdulillah, looks amazing. Chicken is perfectly cooked. So much flavor, wow. Dip in the sauce. The sauce is amazing, wow. Look at the fries, well seasoned. Really nice flavors, make sure you definitely try it. Wow. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.
a siren. Rock in the other way like I'm a siren. Rock in the other way like I'm a siren.